In today's show, 15% jump to $8,500 is on the table for the Bitcoin price, according to popular crypto analysts. We'll be taking a look at what Mr. Chief has to share regarding his bets on the Bitcoin price. 8K, safe bet. 8,500 definitely on the table, and he shared this graph we'll be breaking down. Also, popular crypto analyst Willy is very bullish on Bitcoin. He says the bottom is most likely in. Anything lower will just be a wick in the macro view. We'll be breaking this down in today's show. Also, in other news, Deutsche Bank research shows that cryptos to replace fiat currencies by 2030. This is kind of a big deal considering the banks are against cryptocurrencies. So for a major bank like Deutsche Bank to come out and report this is a pretty big deal. We'll also be taking a look at the adoption rates of cryptocurrencies and internet so you can understand where this trend is heading. And we're also going to take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market, do a Bitcoin price action, all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's show, quick reminder, this December 11th, hedge fund market wizard Larry Benedict is hosting a live event. He's going to be revealing his secret he has used to generate $274 million in pure profit. For more details and to register for this live event, click the link right below this video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. So a 15% jump to $8,500 is on the table for the Bitcoin price. Let's break it down. Since Bitcoin tapped $6,500 in late November, analysts have been wondering if the bottom is really in. You see, Bitcoin bounced by 20% from $6,500, hitting $7,850 just a week after that. Bitcoin's currently trading at $7,551, down 0.2% in the past 24 hours. And while some say that Bitcoin's inability to move past the resistance in the high 7,000s is decisively bearish, an analyst has said that the odds are leaning in the favor of the bulls. Go Bulls. So here's why Bitcoin could jump 15%. Popular trader Mr. Chief recently noted that the crypto ball is finally entering the court of the bulls. He noted that the inverse chart for Bitcoin has shown that Bitcoin has broken below a key, some would say the penultimate trend line that has been in place for over 6 weeks. The asset is also situated in a descending channel that implies a move to 8,500 is definitely on the table. A move to 8,500 would mark a 15% rally from the current price levels. Let's take a look at his tweet on Twitter. Bitcoin, hashtag Bitcoin, bullish on BTC in the near future. 8K is safe bet. 8,500 is definitely on the table. And I went ahead and included this in the show notes below the video in the description for you to check it out for yourself. FYI, idea invalid if the price breaks below the channel. So do keep that in mind. It isn't only Halo that's starting to see bullish trends from Bitcoin's price charts. Adaptive Capital's Willy, popular on-chain metrics analyst, noted on December 11th that a proprietary indicator his fund uses is implying that the usage of the Bitcoin network is implying that bulls will soon gain the upper hand again. Here's what he had to share on Twitter. On-chain momentum is crossing into bullish. Prep for happening, front running here on in. Can't say what the indicator is as it's proprietary to Adaptive Fund, but it tracks investor momentum. The bottom is most likely in. Anything lower will just be a wick in the macro view. And checking out this chart he shared along with it, I'll include this in the show notes below the video in the description for you to check it out. And checking out some of the replies to Willy Woo's tweet, Lamer responded, "Do I understand this right? This is investment advice and you will refund all losses?" Take responsibility for your own actions, Lamer. That's a pretty lame response if you ask me. Riggs responded, "Giant bull flag. This shall be fun." Touche. Let's have some fun, Riggs. Jimmy responded, "On-chain isn't even an indicator for price action. Bottom is not in at all. The front running already began in April and will continue down till after the halvening when all coon boys," what the heck is a coon boy? "Capitulate and hang off bridges." You gotta love crypto Twitter, huh? Bit Harrington responded, "Let's pump. We're approaching the halvening. Everybody is ready. Go." I know I'm ready. How about you? Charles Fuchs, shout out to Charles. "The 1,000 whales that control 50% of all the Bitcoin don't care about on-chain." Pretty interesting. And Chris Martin responded, we will go in the 5,000 to 5,500 first. Then I believe we start going up. This could happen tomorrow, summer or later in 2020. Scott responded, thank you, Willy. You're one of the few people I have alerts turned on for. I've been anticipating this tweet. Grazie mille. Yeah. And we'll check out one more response from Kenneth, who says, bold call, Willy. My response to meet you in Hong Kong a few weeks ago. In one of your previous posts, you mentioned that on-chain momentum became bullish, could only reflect on price in a month or even more. So the on-chain bullish indication doesn't mean price has bottomed, question mark. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. And checking out the top cryptocurrencies, we can see Ethereum is in the red, down 0.03%, trading at 150 bucks. XRP is in the green, up 0.92%, trading at just below 23 cents. Miss Litecoin back in the green, up 1%, trading at $46. BNB in the green, up 0.55%, trading at $15.81. Link back in the green, up 0.8%, trading at $2.08. Bitcoin is in the red, but we are above $7,500, which is cool. And what else we got here? EOS in the red, down 0.39%, trading at $2.72. And in other crypto news, Deutsche Bank research says that crypto to replace fiat currencies by 2030. Let's check this out. By 2030, the demand for alternative currencies will rise, with digital currencies eventually replacing cash, according to recent research from Deutsche Bank. In the Imagine 2030 report, Deutsche Bank strategist Jim Reed raised awareness of the challenges the existing fiat money system has encountered in recent years, specifically with the emergence of cryptocurrencies. Reed stipulated that people's heightened demand for dematerialized means of payment and anonymity could drive more individuals to digital currencies. And let's check out this statistics of adoption rates of cryptocurrencies and internet. The solid purple line represents the number of internet users going into the future, and then the solid blue line represents the number of blockchain wallet users, which you can see where we're currently at right here before 2020 if you're looking at the arrow on the chart. And then we have the dotted blue line, which is the forecast of number of blockchain wallet users going into the future. And as you can see, as the number of internet users climb, so does the number of blockchain wallet users, which is pretty cool to see. So what are your thoughts on digital currency such as crypto taking over and replacing fiat currency? Do you think it will happen? Do you think it may happen before 2030? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments right down below. Here's my personal thoughts. For a bank, a major German bank such as Deutsche Bank, to come out and share this, it means it's inevitable. It's going to happen. The only true question, when precisely will it happen? I believe, even without Deutsche Bank coming out with this research, that cryptocurrency is going to replace fiat, but this is just cementing it in the public eye. This is very bullish news for Bitcoin. The total cryptocurrency market cap is currently sitting at just under $205 billion, with just under $50 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current Bitcoin dominance is still on the climb. We went up to 66.9%. And taking a look at the top cryptocurrency gainers in the past 24 hours, Energy is leading the pack, up 26%, trading at $2.38. Fetch is up 16%, trading at 7 cents. Algorand is up 12%, trading at 29.6 cents. iExec RLC up 10%, trading at 60 cents. Tezos is up 7%, trading at $1.52, and Matic Network up 7%, trading at 4.1 cents. And for the biggest losers in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin down 11%, trading at 0.0003. FTX token down 5%, trading at $1.90. Synthetics Network down 4.9%, trading at $1.20. EDU Care down 4%, trading at 12 cents. Chili's down 4%, trading at 0.009, and Maker down 3%, trading at $503. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bears are back in control, but barely, leading the way with about 10-11 million in superiority in the past 24 hours, with shorts leading 50.54% versus 49.28% longs. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments right down below. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, we're currently rated a 28, which represents fear. Yesterday was a 32 in fear, and last week was a 28 in fear, and last month was a 40 in fear. If you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be be a sign that investors are too worried. This can be a buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this Bitcoin rocket ship heading straight to the moon. If you haven't done so already, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before I go, quick reminder, this December 11th, hedge fund market wizard Larry Benedict is hosting a live event. He's going to be revealing his secret he has used to generate $274 million in pure profit. To register and for full details, click that link right below the video in the description. It's going to take you to this page. Enter your best email, click the yellow button which says register for free access, and you're all set and ready to go. I look forward to seeing you there, and I also look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.